About 5 minutes later, you get a message on WhatsApp. This is an abbreviation for support or WhatsApp support. An SMS message arrives on your device. What do they say? They say, "Dear customer, we will contact you soon to resolve your issue on WhatsApp." Nice. And the customer service, which is this number, the American number, comes to you as a message from WhatsApp. So of course, those messages above were just me testing on myself, so don't pay attention to them. Alright, that's really great. So what do you understand from this message now? That WhatsApp or the WhatsApp administration will start contacting you on WhatsApp soon. And after about 15 minutes, you received a message from the same number that was written in the SMS you got from WhatsApp. Let's open the conversation and see what's written in it. Here's what it says. "Peace be upon you, Mr. Mohammed. This is Ahmed from the technical and customer support team for the WhatsApp application in the Middle East region. If the update doesn't appear in your country, please click the following link to update." Alright, let's take a look at the domain. First of all, the HTTPS protocol is clearly visible, bright as day. Second thing, the domain, WhatsApp update.online update. Okay, it's a link. Any link can fool anyone really, and the domain itself can trick anyone. Now, let's click on this link so we can start downloading the update since we couldn't find it on the Play Store. So you'll see that it starts downloading automatically just like you're seeing here. It's about 8 megabytes. Alright. Now we'll wait a bit until the download finishes. After the update has downloaded successfully and there are no issues, we'll start installing the update just as WhatsApp's management instructs us, because right now, as an ordinary user, I'm worried that I might have already been hacked, so I need to install the update. Great, so we begin installing the update just like you're seeing here. Of course, at this point, the phone's security has been bypassed, and now the update is starting to be scanned by Xiaomi security. Of course, it's telling me to open it, as you can see, and it says downloading updates. Please wait until the update is downloaded. Great. Until the progress bar is complete, it just says complete or download complete. Nice. Now we'll go ahead and press the nice update button like this. And after I, as a user, finish the update and press the update button, that's it. And the update installation is done. And of course, you know that this isn't really an update. And if we engineers go to the cracked version just to make sure the server or port is open, we'll find that we're about to receive a listening session on the Android system, just as you can see here. And if we check now, of course the app basically deleted itself, which means it's not really an update. Nice.